Hey y'all, welcome back to L&M Urban Homestead. I did officially change the name of my channel. Today we are going to be winter sowing some flowers. I'm doing a lot more winter sowing just because of the space limitations within my house. So I am dampening the soil and I've already filled my containers with the amount of soil that I need. We are winter sowing some nasturtiums, some snapdragons, some zinnias, marigolds. So we are so excited to be doing this in this video here today. We're starting with nasturtiums. Nasturtiums are pretty big seeds, but first I need to put my labels in them because I was recently diagnosed with ADHD, and putting labels in them before I start filling them with seeds is the best option for me. So the nasturtium seeds were the first seeds that you saw on the screen. I am just double checking to make sure I know what the how far down I should plant the seeds, and then I'm taking my tool and pushing those seeds down into the soil. And then after I get the seeds all pushed down, I will cover them with the soil that is in the container, and then I'm going to tape up my containers with some duct tape. Now this serves as a greenhouse to the container, and then the seeds will germinate whenever the conditions are suitable enough for them to germinate. So now we are going to sow the next variety, which I believe is calendula. And so I'm going to get those calendula seeds into the container and then do the same process that I did with the other container. There's some other things that we do here on this channel. We do canning and other types of food preservation. I also visit the pantry quite a bit, and so I use any excess food that we get from the pantry to can and preserve those foods as well. So here I am just taping up this container and getting ready to set it to the side. The other things that I do with my containers is I put a number on them as well as the label on the inside. These are zinnia seeds that you just saw on the screen, and so the number and the label really helps me to have two ways of labeling my seeds. Sometimes the markers come off of the actual container, and so I use a garden marker to label to write on the label that's on the inside of the container, and then also on the number on the outside of the container as well. So I'm going to get these out onto my patio because I have this lovely patio garden. So I thank you all for watching this video today. I hope you all will come back and join me in the next video. Bye now.